Welcome to Quantum Lifecycle Brampton. The first stage of our secure service is the actual pickup. And as you can see, Quantum uses its own fleet of trucks for this first stage of the process. Now we are in our receiving department. As we unload the truck, we take the skids, we count them, and then we weigh them. Welcome to the serialization area. Once the skid is broken up, the assets are laid in line, ready to scan the serial number, asset tag, make and model. Now we are in Quantum's data security area. You'll see a number of different assets that are being sanitized. For example, cell phones, laptops, desktops. Following a successful data sanitization stage, we now reach test and audit. Here we do a full functionality test prior to final QC and disposition. After the QC stage, we go to final disposition, and that can be recycling, as in here. This product would go to our recycling plant, or it could be reuse, and you can see the reuse product in our fully stocked warehouse.
Thanks, Mike, for showing us about the reuse process. My name's Clayton Miller. I'm Vice President of Business Development at Quantum for the Recycling Division. We're here in Toronto today at our main processing facility, and I'm going to show you how end-of-life electronics get recycled.
The first step in recycling end-of-life electronics is the removal of hazards that may impede the recycling process or that may cause harm to the environment if not managed properly. Batteries are removed, ink and toner is pulled, and mercury and lead-bearing items are set aside. The early stage of the recycling process is to get everything to a state where it can be manually disassembled or shredded for commodity recovery.
Once the hazards have been removed and the electronics have been shredded, that's when we start separating the various commodities that get generated through the recycling process. At Quantum, we use a variety of technologies to achieve the separation, including eddy currents, magnets, optical sortation, and hammer mills. Let's go take a look at how that process works.
We apply magnets to pull out steel before running the material through an eddy current to separate non-ferrous metals. We use manual sortation throughout the process as a form of quality control. While separation technology has come a long way over the years, nothing beats human eyes and hands. Our team members are sustainability superheroes. One of the cooler technologies we employ is optical sortation, which uses cameras, lights, air, speed, and artificial intelligence to separate plastic from circuit boards.
Once we've done the separation mechanically, we're left with a fairly clean commodity stream. This skid that I'm standing in front of is our final plastic output. And as you can see, it's about 90% plastic and fairly clean. We would now send this downstream to a plastics recycler that would separate it by color and by polymer type. Wanted to take a moment and thank you for learning about electronics recycling. It's a very interesting process and a very important one. Through reuse and recycling, we're building a more sustainable future here at Quantum Lifecycle Partners.